Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this jump challenge filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, you can go to search and you can search for this filter. The filter name is jump challenge. Okay, this is a new filter, maybe you will not find it also here in the search, so go to your for you page and here search for jump challenge filter.
All right, let's see how far I can go.
Okay, as you can see the first video, tap on it.
Crazy, can I try to make my own?
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Okay, my video is also there on the top. Okay, from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from search, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, go to 10 minute, then tap on the record button. Okay, you need to tilt your mobile, so let's see how far I can go. Okay, so this is the game, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.